Hello, today a short update on the roses that I showed you early in the summer in the video, the rose delivery. So this rose, it's a pink forest rose, had been cut back rather severely by the nursery before the delivery, but it's already formed quite a big bush and there are a lot of flower buds which are just opening. I've just spotted the first flower. Pink forest, very healthy. The others were Gartenfreund, and look what happened. I planted this one first and it started growing very fast and it started producing a lot of flower buds. So you see there's so many flowers. Actually I should deadhead it, but anyway, my friend is coming today to collect it because I bought it for a friend of mine, so I think she can do that heading on her own. The other two roses, Gartenfreund roses, were planted in containers 2 weeks later, and the difference is quite visible. The bushes are smaller and there are a lot of flower buds, but not as many as on the other rose. They're all Gartenfreund roses, very healthy roses, and as far as I know, my friend is going to plant hers in the ground, but mine are staying in containers for good. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.